Hey, what's poppin', y'all, man? You with the coolest dude on YouTube, the Spiffy Bro for 54 on this Taco Tuesday, you know what I'm saying? About to bring some more videos, baby. This time we finna roll back to Top Notch, you know what I'm saying? To get some Top Notch gang excitement, you feel me? They be playing too many pranks on everybody, man. They gotta be careful, though, you know what I mean? But the ones that play the pranks get pranked back on, you know what I mean? That's what it's about. So in the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna show y'all an example why I'm scared of planes, you know what I mean? But it's like, we know that this is a joke right here. But it's like, man, I can't even be played with like that. You know what I mean? Because me, I would have like needed 2 pairs of clothes for what I'm about to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Not the reaction, but you know what I'm saying? Right after this, what I'm going to show you real quick is why I'm scared of airplanes. And I'm scared of real deep water. You know what I'm saying? Because any one of those can kill you fast. You feel me? So, hey, P Game, man, without no further ado, check it out, man. Y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Bringing just a little humor to y'all on Taco Tuesday. And we finna continue to keep flooding the videos today, man. Let's get it in. We have nothing else to do but to entertain you. You feel me? So, with the coolest dude on YouTube, without no further ado, here we come, man. Top Notch gang in the building. Airplane prank. All right, y'all, let's see the passengers get pranked, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm glad I ain't getting pranked. Oh, man.
We're stalling. We are filming inside the plane. As you can see, we have GoPros. This footage is gonna come strictly to you. Today we're doing you a favor, giving you a free footage.
Thank you. What were you saying about like plane was had an issue before, or that was a joke? Or?
We had an engine issue 2 hours ago, but we fixed it. You guys are safe, don't worry. We were expecting another guest, right?
Unfortunately, they couldn't make it, but we both came from New York hoping to go on the trip together. And should I go? Should I not go? But you know, I decided, hey, might as well seize the opportunity.
You gonna take some pictures today, or?
Definitely.
You're a photographer?
Yes, I am.
Nice. Maybe you could take some pictures of me after you land.
Van Nuys Airport 8 disinformation call 17510.
Alright, we're gonna do a quick run, make sure the plane is good.
I got fired from the airlines.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was a commercial pilot, but they released me 2 weeks ago. That's why I'm wearing my outfit. I'm just keeping the spirit in.
How long you been doing photography for? For about 5 years now. How's your heart condition, man?
Went to doctor yesterday. They said I smoked too much cigarette.
You do.
You know?
Santa Stars Cox 76015, holding short 16 right at Charlie, right crosswind.
As you can notice, we have cameras, and this is gonna be extra footage for you for free. It's on the house.
Oh, I love that.
Hey, check with Alfredo, right? The engine is good?
Said it was alright. You guys said it was a little... Said it was okay.
Yeah, because the engine shut off, bro. I told them to fix it. Did you check it? It's good now? It's functioning?
I checked it, yeah, it's good.
And lift off.
Alright!
Holding short 16 right at Charlie for right crossing departure.
How long you guys been together?
Like 3 years.
He hasn't cheated on you yet, or what? Alright guys, we're gonna give you a tour over Santa Monica. Enjoy some beautiful view. We're open to take some pictures if you want. We are right above Tarzana right now, where all the rich bastards live.
12 o'clock, 2 miles northwestbound, helicopter 1000.
This is his first day flying too today. He's just my co-pilot, he's learning right now. Nothing to worry about, just relax and enjoy the view.
Hear that?
Skyhawk November 514 with information India, 10 miles west of the airport inbound 4.
That's crazy. The hills just look so good up here. Oh. Alright, come on. Got the park up here.
Is he okay? Hey, what's wrong with him?
Hey, Cap.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Is the pilot okay?
You wake up. What? There he is.
Oh my God! Is everything okay? Dude!
You have your seatbelt on, right?
I have my seatbelt on. What's going on?
Our engine is acting up, losing airspeed.
Hey, are you okay?
Can you help me wake him up?
Hey, are you okay? Hey! Wake up!
Wake up. No, pilot plane, man. Pilot plane. Wake him up. Yo, man, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Wake up, dude. Slap
him in the face.
Like, oh my god!
Sit down, guys.
We're stalling.
Hey, I feel for them, dog. I'm telling you, if I was on that plane right there and they was playing that prank right there, I probably would have died at the prank. Real talk.
I'm kidding.
Dude, what the man? You don't be playing like that, man. What's wrong with you, man? Take me back to the damn airport, dude.
I'm fine.
You okay?
That was a joke. I'm kidding. I swear I'm kidding. With you, bro. With you, bro. I'm actually a YouTuber. I'm a content creator. What? Yeah. So you are being pranked right now. What the hell?
That's not funny!
I'm a YouTuber. I make prank videos. Yeah, and actually these cameras are for my show right now. I just want to explain right now that I'm a big social media influencer. I do prank videos. I'm actually known for pranks. You good, bro? I'm all good. You still got your stomach? That was good, dude.
Oh, that was awesome.
I'm not a real pilot. What? We're actually filming for my YouTube channel right now. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Please forgive me.
That was the scariest thing I've ever seen in
I
my
know
life.
it was.
Taking care of your flight is gonna be
All
free
weapons
of
planes,
charge.
though.
We're still gonna let you enjoy your flight, so.
Oh yeah, I'm really gonna enjoy it now. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm really enjoying it.
Don't do like that, man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't do that again.
We're not gonna do that.
That was scary. That really was scary. So this is the YouTube video that didn't really happen. You didn't just pass out.
No, so I'm a content creator. I actually do prank videos, and you happen to be on my show.
One hell of a prank.
Thank you, brother.
One hell of a prank.
That was seriously the scariest
And your flight is covered today, so we're gonna refund all the money. Is it cool if I could use it for my YouTube channel?
All good.
Awesome, bro.
So what's your channel so I can see this?
It's called Top Notch Idiots.
Top Notch Idiots?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess prepare for landing.
You got him.
Back on the ground.
Get me off of this thing.
Would you like
Nice down, baby.
Exited 801, Van Star, continue full lane.
All right, gonna give yourself the last step. Don't go all the way down, just a bit right there. Good. Not. You're good. You're doing good. Now over that number, bring up the nose just slightly. There you go. Hold it. When you sink, start pulling. Little by little.
Hey, that prank right there would have killed me little.
And start pulling.
There
you go.
Continue traffic.
All right, now that we're back on the ground, that was crazy.
That was a good experience. Hey, you don't look so scared, bro. Are you like used to shit like this?
Not shit like this.
Damn, bro, I landed.
Oh yeah.
I'll never forget this day of my life. Ever.
Let's walk off there.
Hey, you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm sorry, man.
You think you Denzel Washington or something? What's wrong with you? This dude's sick. He's sick.
Look at this.
Man, y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Go check out Top Notch Idiots, man.
Oh my god. You are.
Hey,
Oh
I'm surprised that nobody shit on themselves.
I'm so happy that you're a good pilot. Woo! That was nuts.
Oh, sorry.
I never had that experience in my life, and I'll never forget that.
Once in a lifetime,
Yeah.
So you're cool with being in the video, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Solid ground. No more
You're
movement.
still cool with us using the footage, right?
Definitely.
Big thank you to LA Flight Academy, to Anthony and Alex for being down to do this video. Appreciate you so much, Alex. You are fucking some crazy pilot, bro. I love it, bro. I'm gonna come and definitely get my pilot license, bro. Yeah. If you guys ever want to come and get your license, so definitely go check check them out. I'm gonna pop their Instagram in the video description down below. I'm sorry if I fucked up your customer.
I'll never apply for that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we up out of here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Coolest dude on YouTube.